In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a big head effect in CapCut PC. If you want to give someone in your video a funny, exaggerated, giant head like a cartoon or caricature, this is a super easy way to do it using tools built right into CapCut's PC. The effect works by stacking the same clip twice, masking just the head on the top layer, and then scaling that head up so it appears oversized while the original body stays normal underneath. To get started, place your video clip onto track lane 1 in your timeline. Once it's there, click to highlight the clip so CapCut knows that's the layer you want to work with. Then press Ctrl and C to copy it, followed by Ctrl and V to paste it. This creates a duplicate of the exact same video. After that, drag the duplicated clip straight up onto track lane 2, directly above your original clip. Make sure it is perfectly aligned with the clip underneath so both layers stay synced from beginning to end. That alignment is important because if the duplicate is shifted even a little, the effect won't look clean. Now it's time to isolate the head. Click the top clip on track lane 2, then go over to the top right Properties panel. Under Video, open the Mask tab. From there, choose the Circle Mask tool. You'll now be able to adjust the mask directly in the preview window. Resize and position that circular mask so it fits closely around the person's head. Try to frame the head carefully without including too much of the surrounding area. Then add a very slight feather to the mask. This softens the edge just enough so the cutout blends more naturally into the clip underneath, instead of looking harsh or obviously cropped. Once the head is isolated, you can make it giant. Go back to the Basic tab under the Video settings. Find the Scale slider and drag it to the right to enlarge the masked area. Usually somewhere around 150 to 200% works well. As the head grows, it will likely shift out of place, so click and drag it in the preview window to position it back over the body. Take a moment here to line it up as smoothly as possible so the effect looks intentional and clean. And that's it. You've created a big head effect in CapCut PC using just a duplicated clip, a circle mask, and a little scaling.